Today is a tough day. I have to purposefully bounce 23 Mike Zulu, for your benefit, by the way.
Welcome to the Safer Pilot Challenge.
What's happening, MzeroA online ground school? Jason here, and I meant it with the intro. I've got to bounce 23 Mike Zulu on purpose. Marco Island traffic sky 23 Mike Zulu's turning left downwind 17, touch and go, Marco Island. More like a bounce and go, but that's not proper phraseology. What causes a, first off, check in down below in the comments, and secondly, while you're checking in, would you step into my humility corner? Have you ever bounced an airplane? I would raise both hands and feet if I could.
Marco Island, FBO, flight set 346.
Please call me FBO. All right. What causes a bounce, by the way? What caused your bounce, or bounces, perhaps? And no, you can't log each and every bounce. It doesn't work that way. If you come in and you bounce 3 or 4 times, you can't log 3 landings. It doesn't work that way. All joking aside, what causes a bounce? Think of like when you were a kid and you would skip rocks across the water. Marco on traffic sky 23 Mike Zulu's turning left base 17, touch and go, Marco. Right? Those thin rocks, they were traveling so fast, and then eventually, once they lost speed, well, they hit and they sank.
Marco Island, FBO, how do you hear?
It's exactly the same way in our airplane. If I come in a little too fast, like a stone trying to skip, I'll end up bouncing. And what is the one and only response to a bounce? It's to go around. Fortunately, I almost said unfortunately, but yes, the power of the go-around, the power of the missed approach, which we've been talking about.
500.
Marco on traffic sky 23 Mike Zulu's turning final 17, touch and go, Marco. We're going to come in a little faster, a little hotter, maybe a little higher. Now there's the other aspect too of a bounce. You could come in and stall and bounce. That one hurts a little bit too. But typically, what causes a bounce is going to be carrying a little bit too much speed, coming down a little bit too aggressively. I'm only going to put 20 degrees of flaps in here. I've got the throttle at like 14 RPMs. I'm going to purposefully try to bounce this thing. This is going to hurt. I'm really not excited about this. The things I do for you, MzeroA Nation, this is what family does. We take care of each other, right? All right, let's not blow a tire. We're coming in. Typically, you can 3-point it. Oh, this is going to hurt. And you come in and we hit. We bounce. Full power. Carb heat. Hold it. That was painful. All right. Pause the rate. Through 70 flaps up and out. It just becomes a go-around procedure at that time. Marco on traffic sky 2 Mike Zulu is going around 17, Marco. I say it's that simple. Bouncing on purpose is kind of challenging, but we've all bounced on accident plenty of times. We've talked about a perfect landing, right? A perfect landing starts with what? A perfect pattern. Airspeed is king, managing our airspeed and transitioning, not trying to flare or anything along those lines. Listen, we are going to take bounce out of your vocabulary now. All your landings are going to be smooth and stellar. Check in down below as well. Don't forget MzeroAtrial.com. Ground school prices are going up at the end of this month, so lock in your pricing. Listen, have a blessed, abundant, outstanding rest of your day, and most importantly, remember, a good pilot is always learning every day, everybody. I'll see ya.